Hello, 812. It's been a while. Yeah, by the way, it's Doug now. Oh. So, why you here? Well, we came to tell you that 812 is back. Yeah, I know. He's been hanging around here for the past couple decades or so. What? Why didn't you think to tell us? No, why would I? You're old enough a kid. What do you mean by that? Well, by the way, you two just left us. We told you and the others that you could get out if you tried. And, yeah, and look how it left us. 3 of us. Yeah, because you guys didn't listen to us. Why didn't you try and come to Sodor? Maybe you could have. No, we couldn't. Why not? Because one that tried got caught. So the rest of you didn't think to try? No, why would we? Because I thought you guys were wanting. Oh, I'm getting a headache. Hello again, 812. What? You two, you talk to each other like normal engines. So what? And again, you never thought about telling us. Like I said, why would I? What happened to your whistle? It's gone. What? What do you mean, gone? What do you mean, gone? It's gone. Can't find it. What more is there to tell you? You know what? I'm not having this conversation with you two. I'm not dealing with this. Goodbye. Goodbye, Doug. Great going, you two. I feel like you need help. Me too, Donnie. We'll figure out what to do tomorrow. I hope we can figure out something soon. Me too. Good night, Donnie. Good night, Dougie. Good morning, Doug. Good morning. Doug, we wanted to talk to you about 828. Yeah? What about him? Everyone look! There's Darwin and Douglas from the books with their brother! We'll talk about this later. Hello, Yosley. With how popular you've been with the passengers, I've talked to Sir Topham Hatt, and we've agreed that you 3 should triple head an enthusiast train today. Yes, Seal. Okay, Seal. So, Doug, how should we help 812 move on? I don't know why. You guys want to get rid of him so bad that we have less siblings? What? No! We just don't want him to have to linger around forever for the rest of his days. Yeah, we don't want him to be unhappy for the rest of eternity. Yeah, I guess you're right. Let's see. What could we do? I don't know. Wait. Do you guys remember the train he used to take across all the valleys, villages, and towns? I do. Well, he talks about that a lot. And he can't whistle like he used to. That's probably it. You're right. We'll talk to him about it tonight. Yeah, good plan. Hello, everyone. Hello, 812. Hello, you. I'm good. What do you guys want to talk to me about? What? We haven't even... I'm a ghost. I don't just come out at night. It's just when you can see me. Well, we wanted to take you on one of the routes of your old run. Why? We wanted to do something nice for you. Aye, we'll whistle for you even, really? Yeah, we thought it'd be nice for you to run it again. Come on, let's go. It feels so nice to do this again. Well, that's it. He's gone. Let's go home. Let's run, dog. Well, now that 828 is gone, I won't have anyone to talk to anymore. Well, doggy, we have to visit him sometimes. Do you think so? I know, Donny, but the trip over here is so hard, and our friends. I know, but come on. We're all he has left. Yeah, you're right. We'll come visit. Once or twice a year. Wait, really? Yeah. Thank you, you two. You're welcome. Nelly, it was good to see you again, Doug. But we got to go get back to work. Goodbye, you two. Until next time. Until next time.